Hi everyone, today I am going to talk about ignorance. One of the most underrated words ever that has to be told very often. Actually, what does this word mean? It is a lack of knowledge or information about a particular topic. So, isn't it too strange that this is still an underrated word? Every day we get to hear a lot number of news, right? But unfortunately, most of them would be bad or tragic news. Some of them would be due to natural calamities and majority of them would be due to human activities. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, in the year 2019, a total of 5.15 million cognizable crimes were reported nationwide. It had an increase of 1.6% than the previous year 2018. Other than in these reports, there are a lot number of crimes which are not still reported. And there are also a lot number of such incidents which cannot be reported as a crime according to our law. So, why these kinds of incidents are still happening in our society? At least, why are we not able to control these rates from increasing? There might be a lot of reasons behind this. But don't you think lack of awareness or being ignorant is also a reason? Let me explain. Let us take crimes against women as an example. When it comes to crimes against women, domestic violence holds the first position, followed by assault on women with an intent to outrage her modesty, kidnapping and abduction of women, and finally rape. And the fact of discussion is that these rates are increasing enormously in the 21st century. What do you think might be the reasons behind these rates? It is because of the social conditioning that the men has been told for a long time that women is a commodity you can use to fulfill your needs. You can be violent to her, you can treat her as you wish, and she is supposed to tolerate all this misbehavior. Not only me, not only you, but this whole society is responsible for this toxic conditioning. It is because people are ignorant about the truth that respect and opportunities have no gender difference and each and every human being is equal and unique in the other way. Now, it's time to unlearn all these wrong things and learn the right thing to build a better world for our future generations. With an intention to provide the right and better knowledge, AB Chatfolio is launching a grand new series with the hashtag Fight Your Ignorance. Yes, now it's time to unlearn the wrong and learn the right. If you support this new initiative, then please do share this video with the new hashtag Fight Your Ignorance. Let us learn the right and unlearn the wrong with all your friends and keep watching AB Chatfolio where you get a cocktail of education and entertainment.